Finland, Iceland, Hungary together. I'd like to welcome you very warmly to the Liszt Institute Hungarian Cultural Center. I'd like to say that this exhibition are reminding us of three totally different forests of Iceland, Hungary, and Finland.
Very often we forget how deeply we are interconnected with our environment, with forests, with trees. I think that going back to nature is something that is very precious to all of us, and to reconnect to it.
When I was working with the students here, I wanted to find the oldest trees in Helsinki, Budapest, and Iceland. In Iceland it is quite easy, we almost have no trees. So our beautiful Icelandic beam. In Hungary it is a beautiful acacia. In Helsinki it's the king's oak. It is quite warm, and I think it is very important in our society to take care of the elders. So please try to be the king or the queen of the forest. In Icelandic the oak is a female. And the white birch is also female, so we have a lot of female, but the acacia is a male. So enjoy the show and have some drinks. Cheers.
Cheers.